Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd give you a wee bit an update for April and see how things are going. I'd just like to thank all my old and new subscribers. I'm up to 165. The channel will be a year old on the 8th of May, so that's like 4 weeks from now. I'd like to get that up to 200, so if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It does help, and it doesn't cost anything. Anyway, we'll start off in the polytunnel. We'll have a look, see what's been happening. So the two buckets are first early potatoes that I sowed probably about 5 weeks ago. There's a video that I done on them. Really pleased with them. They've come on well. And if we start over at the back, there's one lot of garlic there. That's not been brilliant, but that there was old wood chippings that I just turned over last year, and I had some peas and some broad beans in there. So when that garlic comes out, I'll probably have to give them a bit of feed, top them up with compost. Then I've dug that ready for planting. I've relayed that wood chip path, topped that up. On this side, I did sow some broad beans last year, but as you can see, they've no came to much. Mini greenhouse. That's one or two that I bought out of home base when we're closing down for £10 each. I've weighed that down. I've got some pegs in there. I don't know if you can see them or not. There. I've got a concrete block in the bottom to stop it blowing away. A couple of rows of first earlies in there. And that bed, still got to get that ready. These are the raspberries. There's a video that I published this morning. I'm going to get the rest of them out. I'll probably do that today, but I'm not going to film it because I'm quite sure you don't want to see me digging out raspberries. But I took a couple of them out and I've stuck them into a couple of tubs. So that's them there. That's about all I want in raspberries really. And the best of the garlic is in this pot. There's a couple, probably 3 or 4, they've either rotted into the ground or they've been dug up. Raised bed there that I need to top up. That was a rhubarb crown that I put in last year. I thought it had died, but seems to have made a comeback, so I'll not be picking any of that this year. Just let the strength go back to the crown. We'll start harvesting that next year. Another raised bed there. There's a wee bit messy still. I've just got to sort of tidy up in a bit. Got a lot of stuff in there I need to burn. The pond, that's been uncovered. That filter needs a bit of no filter, fountain needs a bit of cleaning because it clogs up as it pumps through. That's solar. Lemon balm that I put in a pot, that's coming back. Just need to get rid of this this dead stuff. Another raised bed. You need to get that topped up. It's messy over there, but you get that sorted out. Leaves, they're rotting down nicely. Autumn champion onions in there, they're coming on. I've got more garlic. I gave that a bit of a weed a couple of days ago. So that's the thing with the weeds, you've got to keep on top of them. In here there's a comfrey plant, it's starting to show. That's it there. So that'll be coming back soon. I also planted some borage. So as the time goes on, that'll spread and again into the weeds really. Cold frame, still need to replace the glass on that. Belfast sink, that needs to be sorted. It's just a shrub thing that I was given. And it's getting nasturtiums come out round about it. Right, I'll leave that one for there. I hope you're all having a nice weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.